well, you let everybody down. After all, you're just half girl, the other half is clown. Won't you sell your liveliness for that simple stable job? If you don't, you might be sorry. Dreams just aren't enough. No, no, no. All these haters and their negativity. My oh my, are you ever satisfied? Pushing us towards these robot suits. Tell me now, what do we do? Hey birds from deep inside your cage, singing all these songs. Tell me what could go wrong? Don't you walk outside the boundaries, it's much safer staying in. If you leave, you'll end up cold, homeless and diseased. All these seconds ticking